This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. First, download and install the software from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and log in using your secure account credentials. You will then see the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all trading activities. Take a moment to observe the default layout and locate the main menu options. This initial step is crucial for a smooth start to your trading journey. The Trader Workstation interface is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences. You'll find various windows such as the watch list, where you track instruments, and the order entry panel for placing trades. Feel free to add or remove panels to create an efficient workspace that suits your trading style. Don't forget to use the powerful search bar to quickly locate any stock, option, or tool you need within the platform. Placing a trade in Trader Workstation is straightforward. Begin by opening the order entry window, where you will specify the asset you wish to trade. Next, input the desired quantity and choose an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Always double-check all the details, including price and quantity, before transmitting your order. This careful review helps ensure accuracy and prevents errors. After placing trades, it's essential to monitor your portfolio. The portfolio window provides a clear overview of your open positions, profit and loss, and account balances. Utilize the robust charting tools to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Remember, you can always access the global configuration settings to personalize your Trader Workstation experience, from hotkeys to display preferences, ensuring it works best for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.